Hey, good morning, little tykes. It is Friday, and yeah, that means you made it. It's over, baby. At least for lessons. Next week's gonna be fun. You'll love it. So, let's get on with a great joke and a very terrifying, not cryptid, another man eater. You're gonna love it. Scavin. Hey, Snevin. I never seem to get along with car keys. Snevin. That's really weird. Why? Well, because they always seem to be starting something. Starting something? Fantastic. What a joke. All right, so take a look at Gustav, the man eating Nile crocodile. So you got a picture over here. See that guy? That's not him. That's like his brother or something. Look how big it is. Gustav is a large male crocodile from Burundi. That's in Africa. He is notorious for being a man-eater and rumored to have killed as many as 300 people from the banks of the Ruzizi River in northern shores of Tanganyika. Although the actual number is very difficult to verify, he has obtained near mythical status as is greatly feared by people in the region. Guess what? I'm afraid too. Hi, Gustav. I hope we never meet. All right, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye.